I'm now going to show you the construction and fitting of the activated carbon filter. So to start off with, we have the bottom moulding. The O-ring will be placed into the groove and pulled around as such. The next step is to take the clear moulding and this slots on top. In manufacture, that would be a bayonet fitting, and only a machine would be able to do that. A human would not have the strength to. So the next step is to take this part which holds the activated carbon itself. I've taken the geotextile material out for the purposes of this video. So this will butt up against the bottom moulding as such, and that is contacted against the bottom. Yep. Next thing that needs to go in is the copper pipe. So copper pipe twisted in to that O-ring to create a seal, and from there the activated carbon itself can be placed in and packed again using a machine to ensure there aren't unnecessary air gaps that will allow the water to pass through without coming into contact with the filtration material. Next thing that needs to happen is the top part, which contains the activated carbon. That is placed in and just lightly placed, and will be pushed down by the top moulding itself. So this can be placed to one side and the top moulding can be assembled. So to assemble the top moulding, first thing that needs to happen is the tank fitting with the rubber gasket is pushed through like so, and then this part would be plastic welded on top, and that would stop the tank fitting from being able to rotate. Now that it can't rotate, this nut can be tightened up. That will create a tight seal with that rubber gasket against that reverse face, this face here. From here, the O-ring can be placed into the groove. This is the O-ring that seals against the clear moulding. Now that that's in, we can take the main body, and again this would be done with a machine and it would be twisted as a bayonet, but for now I'm just going to force this down, and that will further compress the activated carbon. And there you have the activated carbon filter. The hand crank would be placed in the bottom, and that would snap on via the magnets that would have been glued into the body previously.